Hello guys, welcome to Noteartener. In this video I'm showing you how you can remove your profile picture on WhatsApp app. So let's get started. But before getting into the video, here is some intro about our channel. Our channel Noteartener is a tech tutorial channel, and here we upload daily how to tutorial videos bringing solutions of the problem that you are facing on your internet journey. So you can join our community by subscribing and pressing the bell icon to get free access of our unlimited content of interesting and knowledgeable tech videos like this one. So let's get started. Firstly, you have to go to your home screen of your device and then find WhatsApp app. Then tap on the WhatsApp icon from here. Then make sure that you are on the chat section. Then tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Then tap on the settings. When you are here, you can see your profile picture in the top left corner. Tap on that. Then you come to this page. So there are two ways by which you can simply remove your profile picture. You can simply tap on this camera button, which is in the bottom right side of the profile picture. Then tap on, you can see this window opening in the bottom of this page. Then you can see in the top right corner of this page, you can see this delete button or trash button. You can simply tap on that, and then it will ask you to remove your profile photo. You can also remove your profile photo by simply tapping your profile picture, and then you can see this pin button in the top right corner, and then you can again tap on this trash button to remove your profile photo, and then you can simply again tap on the remove to confirm, and now you have removed your WhatsApp profile photo. So that's it, that how you can do that. If you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends. Now see you